Welcome back, everybody. Today I got something new. I've built myself a MST RMX 2.0. Yeah, the kit is a pretty good kit at the end of the day. I really can't complain. Probably the only thing I thought would have come with it was some body clips, but I guess you get that. But at least you get the steel CVD joints in the back on the diff rather than plastic like they get in the ready to runs. Currently I'm just running some racing tyres that I've had kicking around for literally years. I'm waiting for my other tyres to arrive. Hopefully they'll be here on Monday. I've got myself a 68 Camaro body, which turned out pretty well, I thought. I'm quite happy with how the body's turned out. It's only the first time I've painted like this, so I'm quite happy with it. Now, at the moment, my electronics, I'm literally scavenged motor and ESC from my Team Associated short course truck that I had kicking around. Busted chassis, so I'm just using them for the moment until I've got a Max 10 setup combo coming up. Just running that, which I picked for 140, until I can get the money to get a decent sensorless setup. And I'm also just running the 25 kilo Power HD servo that I had kicking around. And I've got the Yoko Homo, whatever it is, V4 Yokomo. It's actually, I'm quite happy with that. That's probably one of the most expensive pieces on this whole build. It cost me $120. That's literally, the chassis cost me $240, and that little gyro there was 120 Aussie dollars. So, not cheap little items, as long as it does the job. Now, yeah, obviously I'm going to end up doing a lot of tuning. I've got some adjustable turnbuckles coming as well with the other wheels and tyres, so they'll be in the works. Now let's put the shell back on and see how I go, see if I can drift. Now, one thing I did forget to mention, the rear splitter I've got on it, I actually printed that on my 3D printer. That saved me $35 there. Let's see if I can get some drift going. Oh yes, nice. The gyro's doing its job. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, spin out. Probably the only way I'd be able to afford to be able to be racing, drifting around in the Camaro. Oh, well, for a starting point though, I'm quite happy with how this rolls, considering it's something that's only going to get better with performance, tweaking, and also learning how to drive it. Gotta get the wheels spinning in the rear so I can actually get it transitioning. Nice donut. Oh. Oh, first crash, caught on camera. Oh, I'm loving that. Oh, and those who are interested, my D12 drift truck, I blew the diff up in it. Still only had the stock plastic diff in it. Oh. Lucky this is my basher shell, the practice one. I do have another one coming, which is going to be a bit of a surprise. And mind you, this is only my very first time drifting, so I still got a lot to learn. Now, I think I'll leave you guys there. I hope you've liked the footage. Please like, share and subscribe. Feel free to comment. I always try to reply as quick as possible. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.